Get into a car with value. 2020 Mazda Mazda6. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This family-oriented Mazda 6 offers a premium feel, effortless power, and chiseled looks. The latest in safety and infotainment features provide seamless security and connectivity, so you can relax and enjoy an unsurpassed driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Get into this Mazda 6 and find your new happy place. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.